Everything has been put back together at this point. We're going to do a final test here, so I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. And we do have a temperature reading on the display, so it should power up any minute now. Bring the camera over here to see if we get a startup sound. There it goes. All the fans are working. Just make sure it gets cold. I can hear the refrigerant flowing through there, so that's a good sign. Yep, it's getting cold. It's actually starting to sweat already. Something I was picking up in the video there, please. It's getting warm. Alright, looks like it's working. So I'm going to go ahead and unplug it. And then we're going to put it back together and I'll let it run for a while and make sure everything's working. You can hear the refrigerant flowing still. One of these older fans is a little bit noisy still. I'm thinking it's this one. So that one may give out at some point, and we'll have to get that one changed as well. But for now, I think it's okay. And once the oil works in, it may be better.